Hey, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Arctic Cat Wildcat Trail XT model. We just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. The kit does come with three 3/4 inch amber LEDs. You can mount these up anywhere. You can drill a 3/4 inch round hole. That is a great placement. You've got good field of view from the front as well as the side. The Ryco kit comes with a column mount like you see in your car. Push down on the lever to activate the turn signals left. You can see the indicator light up on the dash to let you know those turn signals are on. Driver's side front flashing. Around the back, what I love about the Ryco kit is it does tie into the stock tail light housings, illuminating all of those bright LEDs, giving you great visibility. Also with the Ryco kit, you have the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are now going to illuminate. Love those nice sleek LEDs. And there you can see the back. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. You do not push that red lever back in. Horn button's also integrated into the end of the lever, and as you turn on the headlights, that will also illuminate your license plate, which is also required by law. It does come with this plate mount that is easily to attach your license plate once you get the machine street legal. The Ryco kit does come with everything you need to be street legal, with the exception of 2 mirrors here in Utah. Check with your local state to see what their rules and regulations are. But there you have it. We have these kits and we have them on sale and we've got them in stock. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. That's a great looking Wildcat Trail. Don't you guys agree? Have a great day, everybody.